Thiku imwe kuma ngwataniro ya Mwena-ini yaruguria ngwataniro ya uregani iria iretwo National Resistance Movement na iria irambiriirie na kuria rumiriri yao magomere motungata makaMbuni ya Safaricom, Brookside na Bidco. Riu ngwataniro ino o ringi ni yumiririe kwihura githuri makigathiriria makinya maria matacoketie nginyagia riu. Ngwataniro ino riu ikiuga ati ndudu ya mawakiri aria mohigirire megie watho kiama-ini giki no iraunanira njung'wa kurora uria megutigirira mbunge cia makaunti ni ciagacira itemi-ini ria kuhagura wathani wa Jubilee uria nginyagia riu mathiete na mbere na kunyururia.
They talk about secession. Now that is for Jubilee to answer, because once you begin to exclude people the way they have done, so unless they are prepared to talk with everybody and recognize them as citizens who have got rights, equal rights, then this discussion and conversation cannot be gotten rid of.
The exercises that we had on the 8th of August and October 26th were not elections. They were coronation rituals.
Ateti aya makiuga mirurungano ya guthing'iriria mogaruruku kamiti-ini ya ithurano na mihaka ona thirikari-ini no iguthie na mbere muthi uria matanagweta. Mwena-ini ungi mutongoria wa Ngwataniro Raila Odinga ikarani na andiki a mohoro niakumithitie giko kia mboto cia ugitiri ya kuhura rithathi makiria ma ng'ombe 400 kaunti-ini ya Samburu, akiuga birigiceni iyo ya kuhitana na miito ya mahiu ndirabatie kurehe hathara kuri arĩithia ya agũthama.
If they even took these animals to KMC, that would be understandable, and you pay them. Now you shoot animals and leave them rotting down there. That is basically barbarism.
Odinga riu akiruta mukana kuri thirikari ikimituki kuri hathara kuona ndurire ici cihokagia uboco wao mahiu-ini maya.
We ask the government to move with speed to compensate these people. The people stated how they should be compensated, and also to ensure that this practice is stopped forthwith. We don't want to see a repeat of this. Girifotira Kameme TV, nijitagwo Mwaura wa Dongo.